Hello friends, my name is Anubhav. Today I am going to show you how to solve a Dino cube. So I am going to shuffle it and I am going to show you how to solve it. So friends, as you can see, I have shuffled my Dino cube. I had 6 colors: blue, orange, white, yellow, red and green. So now let's start solving. First, as you do in the 3x3 cube, you have to solve the whites. So bring all the whites on the top 4. So I am going to keep this in the bottom. And my other white is here. So I have to bring it to the bottom. There are no formulas in it. Just try to use the logic and bring it. So I have brought the both of them, and I have one more over here, so I have to bring it here. So it was here. When I twist it, it came here. When I twist it again, it comes here. Now when I twist using the bottom layer, it comes to the white position. So I have one more left, which is here. Do the same. And this time, now what we have to do is, we have 3. So remember, whenever you have a white over here and 3 downwards, then take your cube like this. The sides which are 2 sides like this, fold it to your side, and then twist your white piece, then twist it back. If you don't do like that, when you twist your white piece, your other white is going to be missing. So you have to do it. You have to do it. So all my first layer is completed. And the other note point is that most of the times when I solve the Dino cube, the sides used to automatically get into place. So no need to worry of changing the places. So friends, now I am going to show you how to solve the second layer. In the second layer, as you completed this white first layer, keep it down, and in the second layer we have to meet pieces, like one is done, green and green. So for that, take any piece except yellow pieces, like yellow red, yellow green, yellow orange, yellow blue. Don't take these pieces. So I took a piece red and yellow. Find where it is. Here is yellow and here is red. So try to twist it and get it into place. No formula is used. Just use the logic. Take another piece. I'm taking red and green. So I am twisting it until it comes to its position. So red is here and green is here. So I just twist it to get into its place. So next is this one, green and orange. So don't worry, when you just twist it, you lose your piece which is already kept here, because this piece over here, it needs a way to get out. To get out, you can just twist this 2 times and get it out of the place. Like you can keep it like this or like this and turn it back. So you have your piece here and this piece is gets out from its place. So my piece is here. I need to get it here because orange and green are here. So I just twist it and make it. Now I have to solve the last one, which is here. So it's beside, so I twist it. So I completed the second layer. So friends, this is the second layer. So friends, we have come to the third layer, which is the yellow layer. In this layer, there are 3 cases to solve this cube. For that, I am going to show you all the cases. So this is the case 1, where you have only 2 pieces pointing towards your left side and 1 color solved. So for that, what you have to do, follow this formula. Make down this part where no yellow pieces are there. Then the other piece which formed two pieces yellow. Then back whatever you did. So this part we did in the first, so we have to do the opposite of it. So as we did like this, we are doing it like this. Then the last part, then your cube is solved. So friends, now I am going to show you the case 2. In the case 2, we have two yellow pieces and one color solved. In the case 1, we saw yellow pieces over here. Now in case 2, we have seen yellow pieces over there. We have to use the same formula, but we have to change. As in the last formula, these two pieces were non-yellow pieces, so we turn this piece. Now these two pieces are non-yellow pieces, so we have to turn this. Then the new yellow two pieces pair. Then as in the first we rotated this part like this. Now we are doing the opposite. Now the last move and your cube is solved. So friends, this is case 3. In this case 3, you have no colors solved and no yellow pieces on the top. For that, you can use any of the formula. I prefer for this formula because as I am a right-handed, my right hand is always active. So whenever I solve cubes, my right hand goes first. So when you do this, you get any one of the case. So I got this case, so I'm just turning. As my red color is solved, I'm keeping it in the back, the solved color, and this is the yellow direction, yellow pieces direction towards the right. Then as I told you in case 2, use the formula. Where there are no yellow pieces, move that to downwards. Then the new two pair of the yellow pieces downwards. Then do it reverse. In the first of the formula, we did it like this. Now we are doing it in the opposite direction. Then we are going to turn this like this. So as our cube solves. So these are the 3 cases in the layer 3. So friends, I am going to pack up this video. So this is today's tutorial on solving Dino Cube. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want more cubes to be solved or to be taught, then you can just comment below which cube you want me to teach. Thank you friends. Bye.